Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to control the display of the image count in the Lightbox overlay of the Divi Gallery module. Whether you want visitors to see their progress through the gallery or you prefer a cleaner, distraction-free design, this feature gives you the flexibility to customize their experience. Let's get started. In this video, I'll show you how to hide or show the image count in the Divi Gallery module's Lightbox using the Divi Gallery Booster plugin. This plugin provides a handy toggle called Show Lightbox Image Count, which allows you to control this setting easily. No coding required. It's a great option if you're looking for a simple, intuitive way to adjust the appearance of your gallery. For more details on the plugin, check out the post linked below. To start, open the Divi Builder and add a new gallery module to your page. Once it's in place, click the Add Gallery Images button. This will open your media library where you can select the images you'd like to include in your gallery. Simply pick the ones you want, and once you're done, confirm your selection. This creates the foundation of your gallery, ready for customization. To adjust the display of the image count in the Lightbox overlay, start by opening the settings of your gallery module. Once you're there, expand the Elements section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Show Lightbox Image Count. If you'd like to hide the image count, all you need to do is toggle this setting to No. This simple change will remove the numbering, like 1 of 2, from the Lightbox overlay, giving your gallery a cleaner, more streamlined look. Once you're satisfied with your gallery settings, the next step is to save and publish your page. This makes sure that all the changes you've made are live and visible to your site visitors. Simply click the Publish button in the Divi Builder, and your updates will be good to go. Now that your settings are in place, it's time to check the results. Open your page on the front end and click on one of your gallery images. You'll see the image open in a Lightbox overlay, and thanks to your configuration, the image count is no longer displayed. This gives your gallery a cleaner, more polished appearance. And that's it. With just a few simple adjustments, you can choose whether or not to show the image count in your Divi Gallery module's Lightbox. This small customization gives you greater control over how your gallery looks and feels, allowing you to tailor it to suit your website's style and your visitors' preferences.